Hello friend, welcome to my channel and here I am with a new government exam related video that comes from Delhi High Court. Personal Assistant Stage 1 English Type Test. They release his admit card and here I am forward the admit card downloading link. Click on here. Then after you go to the official website for download your admit card. First you write your application number, then after you provided your date of birth, then after you enter security pin and click on submit button. After all of this you download your admit card and I'm not waste your time. If you like my video, then please press the like button and share with your friend and colleagues who also attend this exam, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you guys and goodbye.